Let's open up your PS5 console. So this console has a vertical stand. Let's remove that. Grab your Phillips flathead screwdriver and take this off. We'll be removing the side panels. So look for the PS logo. So we'll be lifting up this side panel from this side and sliding to the left, and the bottom panel from this side. So lift up. So lift it up from here and slide to the left. Grab your plastic pry opening tool and we'll be removing the fan grill. Remove this cover. Disconnect this cable here. We'll be removing the fan next. So there's 4 screws. So this one's a long one, that's small, and 2 medium screws. Disconnect the fan cable. Grab your Phillips screwdriver and remove the SSD bay cover. We'll be removing the top cover now. So remove these 2 long screws first. Remove the 2 medium screws here. And remove this Blu-ray drive screw. Peel off this warranty sticker. So there are 6 screws on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So take these off. Press and hold here, and we'll be lifting up the top cover here. Just be very careful here. The Blu-ray drive data cable is still connected to the motherboard, so lift it up from here. We'll be disconnecting the Blu-ray drive cable from the motherboard only. So press and hold on this tab and slide out the cable. Peel off this. Gently lift up the Blu-ray drive. We'll be disconnecting these 2 flex cables and 4 antenna cables. So take these off. Next, I'm just going to mark down the 10 screw hole areas where there shouldn't be any screws in these. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We'll be removing the silver plate now. So there are 41 silver screws here. So let's take these off. Except for these 2 motherboard screws and this black one. We have only 1 screw left in order to lift up our silver plates, and that's this long black screw here. So take this one off. So gently lift it up from here. We'll be removing the heatsink clamps. So take these 2 screws off. In order to lift up our motherboard, we only have 2 motherboard screws left. So there's 1, 2, and then there is 1 power board ribbon cable here. So let's disconnect the power board ribbon cable first, and then we'll be removing these 2 screws located here. 1, 2. press on this tab and slide it out. Remove the 2 screws. Gently lift up the board. In order to remove the power supply unit and the heat sinks, so we'll be lifting up this plate, and we have 2 screws on this side. So let's just remove the 2 screws from this side here. So there's 2 screws here. 1, 2. Take these off first. We'll be removing the 7 screws from this bottom plate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Remove this. Lift up the heatsink. Lift up the power supply. This power board panel, it just lifts up as well. Let's start the cleaning process. So we'll be using the ultrasonic cleaner for all the plastic components, so top, bottom cover, the panels, the fan grill. The remaining components we'll be using the cleaning brushes and just low powered vacuum cleaner. Okay, let's go. We'll just re-spread the liquid metal here. Let's start the assembly process. So grab your bottom tray. We'll be placing the front panel first. This just slides in. Place the power supply next. So align these 2 prongs here. Next, we'll be placing the heatsink. Grab the bottom tray. Place the 7 heatsink screws. So flip it over, we'll be placing the 2 screws here. Grab your motherboard and align the connectors here. You need to align the 2 power supply pins here. Press it down here. Place the heatsink clamps. We'll be connecting all these ribbon cables, 1, 2 and 3. We'll be placing the heatsink silver plate next. Align this here and place it in. Place the 1 long black screw here first. Apart from these 10 screw holes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, we'll be placing the remaining 41 silver plate screws. We'll be connecting the antenna cables next. They're all labeled here. Grab your Blu-ray drive and place it in. Grab your top cover and place it in. Place the 2 long screws here and 1 silver Blu-ray drive screw here. Place the 2 medium screws, 1 here, 1 here. We'll be placing the remaining screws on the left side. So the 6 screws here, 1, 2, 3. 4, 5 and the 6th one is here. Place this power cable. We'll be placing the fan next. Place the fan grill. And place the 4 screws. So that's a long screw, there's 2 medium screw and 1 small one here. Place this cover. Place the SSD bay cover. Place the fan grill, so just align it here and press it down. We'll be placing the side panels next, so look for this PS logo. Grab your top panel, place it in and slide to your right. Flip it over. That's the Blu-ray drive panel. Place it in. Once again, slide to your right. This console has the vertical stand, so we'll be placing the vertical stand here. All done.